A steady, familiar white light fills the space. This is your home key, safe, predictable, and solid. But just behind the wallpaper of this room are hidden doors to parallel dimensions. Every door leads to a version of this same room, but the gravity and color have shifted. You aren't moving to a new house, you're just borrowing a chord from the room next door. This is modal interchange. It is the art of reaching into a parallel scale that shares your same tonic and pulling a splash of its unique DNA into your current progression. And why doesn't the song fall apart? Because the tonic acts as a floor that never moves. These borrowed chords, often pulled from the parallel minor, function as transitory ghosts. They look and sound like family, but they bring a tension that belongs to another world. They provide a borrowed sentiment before resolving back to the safety of home. Watch the walls shimmer. To slide from the cool neon of E. Dorian to the blinding sunrise of E. Lydian, we look for the characteristic pitches. By emphasizing the notes that differ, like shifting from a natural sixth to a sharp fourth, we create a bridge. We aren't just changing chords, we are stretching the harmonic fabric until one modal shape smoothly melts into the next. Use these borrowed bricks to add sophisticated tension to a plain wall, or use them as a trapdoor to pivot into a completely new key. But just remember, if you stay in the parallel world too long, the listener loses their sense of home. So establish your center, let the ghost chords dance, and then lead the light back to the tonic. Thank you for watching, and until next time.